is like all the shelves. Up here we have like storage, but we added these things to make it cuter. And then here we're gonna add more boxes to make it, like, you know, for storage. Over here is like my beautiful like display. I got this from Tokyo Disney Sea. It's super cute, even though it broke, but it still looks nice. But it's like Miss Teapot, whatever her name is. I have my little camera here. Oh, my little camera over there. I got my little stuff from Tokyo Disney Sea, my trophies and stuff. And then over here we got some more stuff, my hats. I got sakura tea, and then this is to make it smell good. And then here, over here we have more storage, like hair stuff. And then all the way at the bottom we have all my clothes, and again with nice boxes with these little things in the computer. And then over here, it's really simple, but this is where I have my computer. It has internet and everything. Over here I have books and things I need to like make sure I give to the teachers or whatever. Over here we added this little sakura kind of banner to make it look cuter, the sakura kind of theme. And then we also bought this for going with sakura theme, super cute. The cherry blossoms are in full bloom. And then we have this chair. We're gonna like cover it. Anyways, so and then we can move on over here, which is my almost like I think it's my favorite part of the room. This is the bed. The bed is white. They gave us the bedding thing, wallpaper. And then we added this pink blanket thing. So adding some more pinkiness in there. I got my my little plushie. I always wanted one of them, and I finally got it. So excited. And I feel like it's really nice because we got pink, so we got whites. And then over here, it's really nice too. Down here, but it's like a paper that not paper. It's like a sticky thing you can add it, but take off. It's sakura, and then right here we added this thing. We like stuck it to the wall, whatever. With tape. Makes little twin stars. It goes with the room. And then over here. It's really quite simple though, but if you want to add a picture of me with the family or something like that, we have like a little cute little bunny. Goes with the little green theme, green pink theme. And then down here, these are the rugs, super cute rugs. Gives the room like a foresty kind of feel. Super cute. Over here we have the pantry. We're gonna get boxes to put all our stuff in there. So far this is gonna be the pantry. The refrigerator, we already bought some stuff that's in here. There's nothing in the freezer because we haven't bought anything in the freezer. And then next is this. We bought like this little thingy that warms up the water. It's really cool for like teas and stuff. And then we have the little trash can. And we have this little cute thing. It's like my melody, so it adds more cuteness. And then over here we have like little pink towels, for when we're cooking. Over here we added this really cute wallpaper to add more cuteness because it was just plain kind of white. And then over here we have like the knife, the little thing, everything's like pink. And then over here we have a pan, and then as you can see we have some blues here. We're gonna add like blues and yellows and whites and greens and stuff. And then over here we have just this nice wallpaper to make it look cuter. I need to buy plates. And then all the way up here, it's really cute. It's when you enter, you see that, and it gives like a really nice, again, like foresty, like green vibe to it, and it makes the room look really, really nice and like fresh. And then over here we have the pink hangers we got. And this is just for the sweaters, like the big jackets, and then also the dresses. We got this dress we used for Tokyo Disney Sea, and then we have all our dresses and all nice stuff. And then all the way over here we have our shoes. I have all my shoes, and this is for what I'm going to use when I go inside the room, because you're not supposed to put your shoes in the room. But anyways. Oh, I forgot the bathroom. This is the adorable bathroom. So as you can see here, we have like a mat. It's kind of dirty. We're going to clean it, whatever. Over here we have the hand wash. It's like a hand wash, the foam hand wash thing. Over here, it's like the little it's called bathroom box, super cute. Slippers for inside the bathroom because we need different ones. This is for washing your body. Some towels thingies for washing your face, and this is for washing your teeth. And this is for when I wash my face. So you pull my hair. And then over here, just pink and white towels for drying hands or for decor. I don't know now, but in the future I'll know. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for now. And I think that might be the whole room. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.